The cyber incidents you see in the news are just the tip of the iceberg. But how often do cyber incidents actually occur in critical infrastructure? Hello, my name is Yohei Ishihara, and I'm a security evangelist at Trend Micro. Trend Micro investigated incidents in manufacturing, electric, oil and gas utilities by surveying over 900 respondents from those industries in the United States, Germany, and Japan. In the last 12 months, only 8% have had zero ICS disruptions due to cyber attacks. 20% experienced 1 to 5 times, and 72% experienced more than 6 times. This shows the reality that critical infrastructure operations are disrupted more than once every 2 months. In addition, the total number of incidents reported in the survey is more than 7,000 in a year. Why are cyber incidents happening so often? In the survey, only half of the companies answered that they are fully committed to preventing recurrence. In other words, the other half are hit by incidents again without sufficient improvement. To prevent recurrence, we need to first identify the root cause. Both IT and OT attack surfaces are risk factors of ICS operations. Trend Micro conceptualizes risk with the following formula. The attack surface risk index is by subtracting security control from attack exposure and multiplying by visibility coverage. Security control for IT, security control for OT, visibility covering both. The three variables change the risk index. By integrating information from both IT sensors and OT sensors, you can determine the root cause of an incident and know what you should do to prevent the next attack. Based on this strategy, our Trend Micro One platform covers ICS OT and reduces the risk by gaining visibility. ICS cyber incidents are commonplace. Our cyber data and insights will help security decision makers understand the reality. At Trend Micro, we do cybersecurity, so you can do you.